Hi, I'm Lori Schneider from Austin, Texas, and owner of Figs Catering. On behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make vegetable spring rolls with a Thai peanut sauce. So when you start rolling your spring roll, you want to kind of roll it sort of fast. You want to move quick once you get it out of the water and you get it somewhat dried and ready to work with. Because as you'll see, it'll start sticking to itself. So you want to be very careful. And if it does start sticking to itself, that's okay. Just work with it very slowly so that it doesn't tear. So now I'm going to show you how to roll. So what we're going to do is fold on over, and with your hands, as you're folding it over, hold all of your ingredients together. And as you see, it's already getting pretty sticky on me, so be careful with it. And I'm going to go ahead and fold it over on either side, and it'll stick to itself, as you notice here. All right. And now all I'm going to do is hold my ingredients and fold it on over. Like I said, it is kind of sticking on me already. Very good. I'm just going to roll it like so. And this is what the finished product will look like.